So here we are, Rainforest Cafe, Niagara Falls. If you're going to come check this one out, you might want to bring your credit cards. It's not cheap, but nothing in Niagara Falls is. Just do a little tour, see what we got. Walk around. So I'm going to show you this thing. Follow your arrows. The observer. Will do. Alright. You just want to have a drink? Have a drink at the bar. I'm going to walk in. We're told we got good seating over by the monkeys. We happen to be sitting over by the other monkeys. The lighting's not the best in here, but some elephants. There's a lightning show every 15 minutes. Savannah's all excited. She wants to show us her cup. Oh. Just cost Dad $20 probably for the cup. Nice cup. That's definitely worth $20. And then we got some monkeys here. Did they do a show again, or I missed the show? Did they do another show yet? They're supposed to do it every 15 minutes. No?
Did it already, but they're gonna move again.
Anyway, I think we're going to sadly miss the show. Maybe I'll come back after the show. I think this will be a two-piece video.